Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you an unboxing of Ellipal X Card. You can see this is the box with the X Card and the starter of it, so we can actually use it. It's pretty great. As you probably know, Ellipal, they don't only have X Card, they also have the Ellipal Titan, and from my experience it's the most secure, the most let's say the coldest wallet ever, because it doesn't have Bluetooth nor NFC, basically nothing. All it has is just QR codes. Here we don't have QR codes because it's a card, not a full-on device, but if you're interested, you can watch other videos on the channel on this device. I'll surely record them. And now you can see there's the secure chip protection CCEAL6+, and the offline seed phrase generation, multi-layered security compatible with other wallets, which is really great. Bank card size and portable. I have a card like here, so you'll see it. And duplicate wallets, easy and free. Okay, let's open it. Also, Ellipal has a very big support of different coins, not just the limit is like hard to reach. I'm speaking about types, right, of assets, because some wallets have limits, like for example, some wallets support only like a small selection of different assets. Here it basically supports almost everything that you will need. Now let's get this out of the box. Okay, I think I can get it out now. Yeah, but it has fallen out a little bit. Okay, let's see. So this is the card. Of course, I showed you that earlier with a different card. It has a number on the back. Then it also has the chip. There's some quick start guide, right, because you'll probably need the Ellipal app. There is the card starter, which is important here. It lets you slide the card in. Then, yeah, this is the explanation for the starter. The recovery phrase sheet, so you can fill it out, so you don't lose your recovery phrase, and a charging cable for your starter. And that will be about it for the unboxing. As I said, I highly encourage you to watch other videos on the channel, because if you're interested in getting this card, then it's worth seeing how it works. So maybe watch the setup or some other things if you are curious how something works. Or in the future, once you get the card and don't know how to do something, feel free to watch our videos to see that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.